So for those who follow my Bite, Eat, Repeat blog, you know I love to share food. I love to share burgers, but I also like to share some food history, and I am making a little food history tonight. Obviously, we have a hamburger bun, we have a hamburger, tomato, lettuce, salt and pepper, of course, for seasoning, and we have mayonnaise. But what I'm making today is using this, and it's called a Guber burger. So the photo I showed you originally of the original Guber burger showed it built in a very specific way, and so I'm going to replicate that right now, which means I put the burger on the bun, and the next part is the peanut butter. And I think of peanut butter as just a nutty cheese, so I'm not afraid to lather it up. Now, I think, let's try mayonnaise next. Speaking of lathering it up, then a big wedge of tomato, and then a nice amount of lettuce, and voila, we have a Guber burger. So those who follow along know that my wife Alex told me, go ahead and do this one without me, but I think she might be wrong. Let's take a look. First of all, burger, peanut butter, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato. I mean, come on. I should have brought a napkin.